This is the Serger movie, the Serger video, and I just tested it and it came out real good. So that's what you're going to see, me doing this little bit of sewing there. The foot is down still. Let me try this other side. Since it seems to be working so well. Let me get the foot down. There's the knife there. Wow. Well, maybe I should have just kept on. There. There's the cloth that got trimmed. Let's see how we did on this side. There's that end. Let me trim off a little bit on this end. Sweet. I'm really happy with that. I think I'm in business. It worked out well. I done good. That's really sweet. Hi there. So I'm about to have some more fun because I think I have the I have the serger threaded. I'm hoping that it's going to work correctly, but all four of the threads are at the back there through the machine, and I've got a piece of muslin. The foot is down, and I don't know if I have to grab those threads or not, but maybe I'll just kind of, you know what, I don't think I have to, so I'll just put my foot on the pedal and we'll see what happens. See if the threads all break or springs fly out. Here we go. You know what? I think I may be somewhat fortunate here. So I've still got a tail left there. And that's what I got. I think it's okay. There's the cloth that got cut by the cutter when it was serging. That's really pretty. So I think it's correctly threaded. I'm really happy about that. Pretty colors. I see green and red, a little bit of blue at the bottom, green in the middle, yellow at the top, red going up and down. On this side it's yellow going up and down, red on the bottom in a straight line, and blue on the top in a straight line. That's really cool. I'm really happy. I think this is only the second time I've played with this machine. I actually got looking on YouTube to see how to do this, and I had made a 29-minute movie, and it's not the greatest video, I will tell you that. It did get 2 likes though, no comments, but it was hard to watch. My hand was in the way down here. It was hard to see what I was doing. So definitely need to improve my video doing. But that is really nice because it does work, and like I say, I think it's working correctly. The threads didn't break, so that's very encouraging. a nice, short, happy video. Hey, listen, have fun, stay safe. Come on back real soon and we'll hang out. Ciao for now. Adios, amigos.